Good morning, everybody. It's Kay Kaltoff. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. We are going to kick off the April 2022 card kit to go from Stamping to Share today. And it takes a little explanation of why I chose this. I am using the Elegantly Said bundle, which unfortunately is no longer available. And it's so odd because, you know, these cards are designed well before everything goes live. And I'd gone through my catalog to pick out swaps that I wanted to do with my downline and my kit to go. And it's so funny, but the two bundles that I picked that were punch bundles that I thought, oh, those will for sure not retire. Both of them retired. But the punch is still available. And the Elegantly Said stamp set is easily substituted by stamps you either already own or stamps that you could purchase if you don't have a lot of stamps yet. So the card kits to go are beautiful. They're very elegant. And it is the very first bundle that I ordered when I placed orders out of this catalog, which is soon to be retired. But last year I was so excited to get this bundle and I used it quite a bit. And so I'm excited to feature it here as my April card kit to go. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to flip the camera down and we're going to take a look at the cards. So just give me a second to do that. All right. As I mentioned, the stamp set and the bundle no longer available. It is while supplies last, so we have to expect that in April. The punch is still available, and that's good because it's a pretty versatile punch. In fact, the very first card that I'm going to share with you in the card kit to go uses the punch in kind of a unique way, which I'll go over when I do the videos for this card kit to go. So you can see we're using the top half of the punch on both of these sides. And this is a beautiful anniversary card because those are kind of nice to have on hand and it's something we don't often make. And so this first card that you can see is the anniversary card. And we're using the gorgeous, gorgeous paper called Simply Elegant Designer Series paper. I think that's what it's called. Something like that. And the next card that we're going to make actually uses some copper embossing. And then you'll notice that we've layered the tag and we've got some really pretty copper back here. And I love this card as well. You can see the shimmer and shine as I hold it in the light. We're also using the Simply Elegant trim in both the gold and the silver. And you may have noticed on the very first card, we're also going to use the Very Vanilla Scalloped lace. Now, the Very Vanilla Scalloped lace is retiring, but I do believe it is still available to order. The third card in our card kit to go for April is this one. And you can see some soft background stamping and again, a layered tag and a good amount of the silver elegant trim. And then of course, this gorgeous, gorgeous designer series paper, absolutely fabulous. And then the fourth card in our April kit to go from Stamping to Share is this one. And wow, it is such a pretty card. It's a stand-up easel card. So I think you'll really enjoy this. And when you stand it up, it looks like this. So you've got this really pretty stand-up card. Just gorgeous. And then the label down here, which I'll have pre-cut for you in your kits, is actually from the Tasteful label dies, and I'm not sure if it's available or not. I will have it pre-cut for you. I will also pre-cut your since we can't get the bundle and we can't get the stamp set, I will pre-cut these punch outs for you as well. All right, so those are the four kits to go. Now I'm going to share, or the four cards with our April kit to go. I'm going to share that you will need to use a host code, and I've linked that on the See More section of this video. But the first thing that happens is you get 8 card setups and you get a happy stamper token when you order at the $50 level. When you have 10 tokens, you get a free stamp set. Also at the $50 level and any levels above that, you will get the a piece, or you'll get some paper perks. This in particular is the Heart and Home Designer Series paper. My paper perks are always sized to fit your card. So it's just one sheet of each of the Designer Series paper that's in that pack. This is an ongoing promotion that I do all the time when you use a host code and purchase at least $25. But as part of your free kit to go, you will get a set of paper perks at the $50 level or any levels higher. When you get to the $75 level, you'll get my customer kit to go for the month of April, and it is the iridescent rhinestones. They're back in stock. So I just was very excited to feature this as my customer kit to go. So at the $75 level, you will not only get the paper perks, you will also get a happy stamper token and the iridescent rhinestone basic jewels, and of course the 8 card setups for the kit to go. If you go just a little bit higher, you get all of those things that I just shared, plus at the $100 level, you'll get 2 happy stamper tokens. All right, so let me just review the cards that you're going to make in your April kit to go. That is actually free with a $50 minimum order using the host code. And we've got this one. That's our stand-up easel card. I'm gonna put it way up here. We've got this one. I think I'll have to set these like this. We've got this one and this one. So a beautiful set of 4 cards. And again, you'll make 2 of each one. There will be a full PDF and there will be video links right in the PDF. And I also send an email with the video links separated out for those of you that don't bother with PDFs and you just want to go straight to YouTube. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. I truly appreciate it. I will be sending out a customer newsletter later today with the registration links. And believe it or not, I've already had someone get the kit to go just that quick when I put up the blog post this morning. So I'm so happy that there's a lot of enthusiasm for this. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.